Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the parabola by directive focus method. How to draw the parabola by using a directive focus method. The problem is likewise, draw parabola by focus directrix method if distance of focus from the directrix is 60 mm. Okay, so you have to solve this problem by focus directrix method. Okay, so basic introduction regarding focus directrix method is illustrated in the previous video lectures. Okay, so please go through it. And now yes, first thing you have to draw the parabola. So basically for parabola, okay, for parabola eccentricity ratio आपको पता होना चाहिए, that is equal to 1. Okay, so that is the basic criteria. Okay, first, okay, so process is likewise. First draw the vertical line. Let's suppose it is called as d dash, and this is called as directrix. It is nothing but vertical fixed straight line. Okay, again draw horizontal line. This is called as axis. Okay, so this point is nothing but C point. Now distance of focus from the directrix is 60 mm is given to you. So first mark the 60 on this axis. Okay, so this distance is 60, and at 60 you will get a focus, means here you will get a point F. Okay, now yes, what is definition of eccentricity? E is equal to distance of point from the focus divided by distance of point from the directrix. So that is definition of eccentricity. So it is nothing but Vf divided by Vc. So you have to mark the, yes, so total distance is 6, you have to mark this at 3. Okay, Cf. Okay, so this point is called as B point. Now CV distance जितना है उतना आपका distance VF का रहेगा. So that's why for the parabola your vertex B point will be at the center. Okay, now draw the vertical line through the V. Okay, likewise. Okay, so by using compass, okay, by taking V as a center, take the radius up to F. Okay, draw an arc likewise. Okay, and this point is nothing but A point. Okay, again now join C and A and extend this line up to some length. Okay, now okay, so उसके बाद now take the points nearest to the on this VF line. Okay, so here, okay, so I will mark some point here. Okay, if you want to take these points, you can plot at equal distance or you can take randomly. Okay, so maximum points. Okay, so I will take, यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 4, यहाँ पे 5. Okay, so these points are randomly marked points, or you can go through this. Okay, again draw the vertical line through each and every point. Okay, likewise. Now यहाँ पे 1 है तो यहाँ पे रहेगा 1 dash 2 2 dash 3 3 dash 4 4 dash, and यहाँ पे 5 dash. You can mark any point on this axis. Okay, now you have to take the distance between 1 to 1 dash. आपको ये पूरा distance लेना है 1 to 1 dash. Each time you have to put your still point on F. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको ऐसा आर्क, ओके, इस लाइन पे आर्क आपको निकालना है. ओके, उसके बाद 2 to 2 डैश डिस्टेंस लेना है आपको. ओके, अगेन पुट योर स्टिल पॉइंट ऑन एफ. ओके, लाइकवाइज अगेन यस 3 to 3 डैश. ओके, ये लोगे तो यहाँ पे आपका पॉइंट मिल जाएगा. ओके, अगेन 4 to 4 डैश लेना है डिस्टेंस आपको. ओके, अगेन सेंटर विल बी एट एफ. ओके, उसके बाद 5 to 5 डैश डिस्टेंस लेना है. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू मार्क लाइकवाइज. ओके, नाउ हमने आर्क निकाले. ओके, सो दिस पॉइंट इज नथिंग बट P1 डैश, ये रहेगा आपका P2 डैश, ये रहेगा P3 डैश, ये रहेगा P4 डैश, ये आपका P5 डैश. सेम ऑन बॉटम साइज, यहाँ पे P1 है आपका, यहाँ पे P2, यहाँ पे P3, यहाँ पे P4, यहाँ पे P5. Now you have to join all these points by a smooth curve. If you are having a French curve, you can use it. Okay, so yes, first join all the point with respect to the V. अगेन P ऐसा आपको पॉइंट्स ज्वाइन करना होगा. ओके, अगेन सेम ऑन बॉटम साइज. Okay, and here, okay, this curve here, this curve is nothing but a, okay, it is called as, yes, that is your required solution. ये आपका है parabola. Okay, here, okay, this vertical fixed line is called as directrix. Okay, here this is nothing but axis. F is nothing but focus. Okay, again you have to give the dimensions. Okay, so you can give the dimension at the bottom space. Okay, so this total distance here, it is of 60. Okay, up to V you can show the distance, so this distance is 30. Okay, so आपका एक कर्व सिर्फ डार्क होना चाहिए. So here it is nothing but parabola by directrix focus method. Okay, so in examinations you have to also show these calculations for parabola. Some condition E is equal to 1 and आपका eccentric ratio रहेगा VF upon VC. Okay, so go through in this way. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video.